Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for being here. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below, because that's how I found out about this video. So I found out about what I'm going to be doing today on my comments. So a lot of you have been saying, oh, Alex from Pretty Pastel Please has seen your video, and then from the wolf cut that she copied from my how to cut a wolf cut in 5 minutes hair video. So a lot of you have commented on my reaction video that I did of her, and then saying that she's just mentioned me in her newest video, which is that she is dyeing her hair with every shade of Arctic Fox. So Arctic Fox is a vivid hair colour, so like Joico intensities, but Arctic Fox, and I think she's ordered them all, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just skip through it because I've had a little look and there's some little bits that I want to comment on, and then the bit where she starts talking about me in a really nice way, to be honest. And her friend was like, oh yeah, you don't get like nice people on the internet as much anymore or anything like that, so I'll leave that in here. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for Alex for sending all you guys here to watch, and thank you guys who have come over to my channel for letting me know that she's just mentioned me in her newest video. And I have just filmed another video today because I was featured on a TV show yesterday, but it's just going through a what is it, copyright, so a copyright dispute, whereas I'm featured on it and I was reacting to it, but they hold the rights to the show. So I'm just wondering what I've got to do about that. So that's a video coming soon. I mentioned Alex in that about the wolf cut. But yeah, let's look at her new video, and we'll check out what she's saying and what she's doing.
I'm about to buy every single shade of Arctic Fox hair dye. I'm going to mix them all together and I'm going to dye my hair with it. I'm crazy, I know, but you're about to watch it and you're about to enjoy it. So welcome to the wild ride. Why on earth would I do such a thing, you're probably wondering? Because the hair that grows out of my head provides me with unlimited content. That's why. If you're new to the channel, hi, hello, my name is Alex, and I have spent the past 2 years torturing my poor head of hair. I'm naturally a redhead. This is me. Oh dear. Yeah. Sometimes when I go too long without looking at what I used to look like, I forget, and then I see it and
Hair's amazing, isn't it? That long natural red hair looks super healthy. But I did mention about Joico in the reaction video, and then Alex replied and said, oh my god, like her mum gave her Joico, I think, like a couple of years ago to use, and it was like amazing. So I've actually messaged Joico Australia to see if they can get in contact with Alex to send her some K-Pack 4-step hair repair system or something like that, so she can use it.
Seeing me other than my husband, so it was a really good opportunity for me to do something absolutely nuts. So without further ado, let me jump on the Arctic Fox website. 15% off everything.
So yeah, she's jumping on the website now to order every single colour, and I know she's going to be doing a rainbow, and I did a rainbow hair colour recently in the salon, all blonde and then just a real peak. So I'll put that in now so you get to see it. I popped it over on TikTok. I don't know if I put it on my shorts channel on here, but yeah, I'll pop it in now so you can see it. And I'm going to just skip to a bit where she starts talking to her friend about doing it and what hairdressers think.
Professional hairdresser that's watching this right now, if a client came to you and said, hello, please turn my head into a rainbow with 20 colours, what would you say? Hey. How would a hairdresser do this? That's what I want to know.
So turning it into 20, well, there's not 20 colours in the rainbow, but less is more. Less is definitely more when it comes to doing rainbow hair. You want to be doing red and yellow and green and what is the rainbow? Red, yellow, pink and green, purple and orange and blue. But there's an alternative, because I did a rainbow like I just said, like I just showed you, and that went there's a different rainbow order, and that was what was in mine. But yeah, definitely, Alex, I wouldn't do 21 colours all around, because it just there wouldn't be any balance there. You would have to, maybe if you did it where you sort of did the 21 and 21 on that side, and then you followed it round so the back became, it like matched So it would be like a rainbow. So you'd have the same colour frame in your face, and then went all the way around, and then the back colour just finished, and it was like symmetrical. That's what I would say, but I would definitely say less is more. The inspiration picture, head over to Alex's channel and watch this video. I'll put a link in the description below, because you'll see the inspo, and it is a beautiful image. It's like, it's a rainbow just sort of like through here, and then the rest is dark. So like you could pull the hair over and it's like a peekaboo rainbow, and then you could open it up to sort of give it a bit more of intensity. But what I want to do, and I put it in a comment, I put it on this video comment actually, if Alex wants to do a live stream. So I do live education every Wednesday night on my channel and the Life of Hair channel. And if Alex would like to do a live, so she could be doing her hair, or we could just be talking hair. We could be talking condition, how to get it better, what colours suit, what face shapes, what haircuts suit. I'd be down for that. So that's something that we could sort of sort out. So get tagging, get commenting on Alex's video. Let her know I've done this video, and hopefully she'll see it. Hopefully we'll do a live together, and then we can offer like loads of advice.
I uploaded a video the other day. I followed a tutorial, like a 5-minute wolf cut tutorial that an actual hairdresser had done. And that hairdresser just posted a video this morning where he sat down and he watched me following him. And he's so cute. He's a British hairdresser called paulwatts hair. And he was so like polite and respectful, and he was so kind to, like, you could tell the look of pain on his face at my hair, and he could see how fried my hair was, but he was so polite about like, oh,
that's a rarity on the internet.
Yeah, he's like, oh, you can see that her hair needs a little bit of moisture put back into it, you know, instead of being like, her hair's straw, he was like, needs some moisture put into it, and he's like, then we can see she's got some significant regrowth. Not like, look at her nasty ass roots. He's like, significant regrowth. You know, like but he was so like respectful, and he was so nice, and it was just such a joy to watch his video react. And also he gave some really useful advice. He was like, oh, Alex, if you're watching this, I think that part of the reason that you're struggling is because you didn't straight blow dry your hair before you were cutting it, and because it's very frizzy, you're getting an uneven result, and you know, you would have been better pulling your ponytail a bit further forward and all this. And it was like really useful information. Yeah. He was so nice. It was, when I saw that he was reacting, I was like, oh, I wonder if he's going to be like sassy or whatever. But he was so nice.
I've seen a lot of hairdressers tend to be when they're reviewing other people doing stuff.
There are some hairdressers that react, and they are a little bit like, I don't like the aloof attitude of like, oh, you've ruined your hair, you look ridiculous, sweetie, you better fix that, like, sweetie this, sweetie that.
Hair's hard. My hair always looks worse than when I didn't try.
Same.
And it's like,
Same.
why do I even bother?
Yeah. I literally look like Cynthia.
So we're done, right?
Tell them a little bit about how you've...
So that's it. That's nice. Nice to hear. Yeah, I'm not the type of person to go ham on somebody and sort of say, oh, your hair is ruined and all this. Like, my job is to make people feel better, make their hair better, reconstruct, re-strengthen, add moisture. That's the job of a hairdresser. So yeah, I would never go in on somebody when clients come into the salon. I'm never like sort of like say like negativity about their hair. It will just be what we can do, what are the steps to get it better. So yeah, but I'm glad that come across. I'm glad that it come across that I was trying to help and trying to give the advice, and that is what I do every single day in the salon. And what I'm trying to do with this channel as well, educate. The ponytail haircuts that I've been doing was basically to help people understand, hairdressers really, to understand where we elevate and over direct to. When we're creating the elevation and over direction, we're maintaining length, we're creating shortness, we're keeping length, and that sort of thing. So yeah, that is where that came from. You can check out my other videos if you're a hairdresser wanting more precision work. They're all on my channel. And yeah. So that's cool. Thank you, Alex, for mentioning me again. And thank you for all you guys for letting me know that Alex has mentioned me again. I was actually going to watch this video tonight, and I watched it and seen it. So I thought, oh, I'll do another video because it's cool. And yeah, let's see a rainbow.
What are you laughing at? What's so funny?
You'll see. You must have got a giant green stain on your neck.
No! It's a hickey from Shrek.
So bright. That is so bright. It looks good. I really like it when you're rinsing out these intensity colours and it's all wet and really shiny. It looks really healthy because they're basically conditioners with food colouring in, basically. They're vegetable colour. And they add so much moisture and condition to the hair that the hair just feels and looks so healthy after it. So it's great to see it, and it's great to see. Oh, it's a shame that you didn't do the other side, all of them mixed together, like just to take it sort of really dark, or do like Alex had some darker colours. We could have done one side, so it was like the inspo picture, but it looks so vivid.
I love it. It's gonna look so much better when I curl it. If I take each individual colour and a curling iron and I curl every single one, I think it's gonna look much, much nicer. But alas, the styling shan't be happening today, for you will need to return tomorrow when I will be mixing together every single one of these colours and dyeing this side of my hair with it. Then I'm gonna give it a proper curl, wash it out a little bit more, see how it kind of fades a bit. But that's it, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah!
So yeah, we'll check back tomorrow and we'll see her mixing them all together and doing the other side, and that'll add a really good contrast to it. That rainbow's going to really pop. Although I love it with blonde. The picture the video you've just seen that I did was on blonde hair, really crisp white hair, and it just cascaded over. You had this rainbow sort of framing the jaw. That was what I did in the salon, and but yeah, I can't wait to see tomorrow's video, Alex. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up as normal, and comment down below if you want to see any more, and go over to Alex's channel, comment on hers, telling her that me and her should do a live together to give you hair care advice. And maybe you guys, like, we could do little consultations on there in the comment section, and we could bring it on screen, and we could really sort of go in depth with some basically day-to-day of what I do in the salon. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you on the next video.